Heat shield set.
Perseverance is now slowed to subsonic speeds.
Last week, NASA's Perseverance rover struck a remarkable landing on the surface of Mars.
Touchdown confirmed. Perseverance safely on the surface of Mars.
Onboard cameras filmed the whole sequence in stunning detail, and the rover captured something truly new: audio of wind on the red planet. The rover is now on a years-long mission to scour the Jezero crater for evidence of past life. But it just pulled off the most difficult stage, the landing itself. Perseverance needed to survive the 7 minutes of terror, its plunge through the Martian atmosphere. During that window, it used a heat shield, a parachute, and finally a rocket-powered descent stage to reach the surface delicately. The video clips themselves are a huge leap forward for NASA. This is what the Curiosity rover looked like from Earth when it landed in 2012, using just a single down-facing camera. Perseverance's landing sequence was captured from several different angles. NASA also included a microphone that failed to collect sound during the landing, but after touchdown, it managed to record a few seconds of the first audio from Mars. You can hear the Martian breeze, along with the sounds of the rover itself. Perseverance has been snapping photos of its surroundings since it hit the ground. We're starting to see rocks perforated with tiny holes. They're sprawled across Jezero crater. The holes have a few possible explanations. If the rocks are volcanic, they could be tiny vessels left over from gases that escaped, called vesicles. And if they're sedimentary rocks, the holes could signal that they were shaped by a fluid. Using Perseverance's onboard instruments is the only way to find out for sure. One tool, the SuperCam, will zap the rocks with a laser and analyze the cloud of dust they create, scanning for organic compounds. Over the next few months, Perseverance's 19 cameras will record its journey traversing the Jezero crater. They'll also watch as Ingenuity, a mini solar-powered helicopter, attempts its first flight. In just the first few days since landing, Perseverance has sent back 30 gigabytes of imagery and other data. So, we can expect an even richer picture of Mars to emerge soon.
Touchdown confirmed. Perseverance safely on the surface of Mars, ready to begin seeking the sands of past life.